Rajaram Rege, who's the person who met David Coleman Headley and has talked about there in those emails, joins me now from Sindhudurg in Maharashtra. Mr. Rege, when and where did you meet David Coleman Headley? It's believed that you are the person who he wanted to go through to find out about the Shiv Sena Bhavan. What help was he asking from you?
Yeah, the first and foremost, this Mr. David Headley came along with a person called Vilas Warak. He introduced me as he's a gym trainer, personal trainer. And Vilas Warak said, David Headley is my friend. He came from US and he wanted to see the Shiv Sena Bhavan.
No, so what help did you give him?
Yeah, definitely. I refused to do that because it was not under my capacity to show the Shiv Sena Bhavan and it was not allowed. And that's why I told him this is not a tourist spot that he can roam around, so they can kindly go from the particular place, and they went off.
That is your version. I've heard something else, of course, that you wanted to get into a business deal with him. But now, what do you make of this news? And did you approach the police after you came to know who he really was?
No, I read his statement in Chicago that he wanted to target Shiv Sena Bhavan and the Balasaheb Thackeray. I would like to clarify on this. Manani Hindutva Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray is like a god to us as a Marathi person, as a Maharashtrian, or rather as a Hindustani. Whoever people stays in Hindustani, Balasaheb Thackeray is god to us, and the Shiv Sena Bhavan we treat like a temple. So there is no question of anybody even think about damaging any of the personality or any of the Shiv Sena Bhavan.
Did you approach the police once details about Headley became public? Did you approach the police?
No. When he was got arrested, definitely the people from Delhi, they approached me immediately. NIA, National Investigative Agency, they approached me. They said, we would like to talk with you because your name has come in the Headley case. They came to Mumbai. They spoke to me. We discussed in length the same question. What you asked, the same question they asked me, and the answers which I've given to you, the same answers I give it to them.
Okay.
And they are quite satisfied.